Live or online microblading training. Selecting the best career to have for the rest of your life is challenging, especially if you don't know what you really like to do or you haven't unlocked your potential yet. If you are still wondering the perfect career for you, here's a fantastic opportunity knocking at your doorsteps to give you a chance to feel fulfilled in your life while making significant earnings. So what's this excellent window of opportunity I am talking about? You must hear about microblading. Nowadays, this kind of business is becoming popular because almost everyone is into fashion. And if you belong to the ones interested in the fashion industry, this is for you. Before we go on, it would be better to know what microblading is. If you know about it, well and right. But for the first-timers, this is very informative for you. And with the world's current situation, you can choose which is more suitable for you between live or online microblading training. What exactly is microblading? Microblading is a treatment to solve the eyebrows' concerns and make them fabulous and natural looking. A technician uses a small hand tool with 9 blades and makes tiny cuts on the eyebrows, which is where pigments are inserted and resemble the brow's delicate hair and enhance the appearance. It is a semi-permanent treatment that would last for 1 to 3 years. You have to have 2 sessions for the procedure to achieve the amazing woke-up like this look, saving your time and effort drawing your brows and be gorgeous all the time. Naturally, every job you will endeavor has the training you need to attend first before starting. And the good thing is, you have 2 choices. You can select from live training to online microblading training. Importance of training. Why is training necessary before venturing into a new career? Training means teaching or improving someone's skills for a particular job. During the training, trainers teach the trainees all about a specific profession. And its goal is to develop one's potential, competence, performance, and efficiency. Usually, trainees should be present in the studio for the training. Fortunately, there is online training too. So a trainee can attend live training or online microblading training. Which is better, live training or online microblading training? There are pros and cons of attending both live and online microblading training. Some people prefer in-person training because they want to have face-to-face interaction with other people and talk personally with their instructor per second. However, some people are shy to mingle with others and choose to register for online microblading training. Here are some benefits of attending both kinds of training. Online microblading training. Save time. You can save time traveling to the venue and just attend the training from your home's comfort. All you need is a strong Wi-Fi to be present. Cheaper. You can't only save time when you choose online microblading training but also money. Instead of spending money on your transportation, you can keep them for future use. Take class anytime and anywhere. Online microblading training can be accessible anytime and anywhere you like, especially if you have a busy schedule aside from the training you are attending. Have a close-up look at the demos. During the online microblading training, you have the chance to look closer on the demo that the trainer will show, since they use the projector in demonstrating the lesson. Live microblading training. Face-to-face interaction. When you want to stay with a group, in-person training suits you more than online microblading training. You will have the opportunity to mingle with your co-trainees, share ideas with them, and have the chance to ask each other about the lesson. Can understand more the lesson. If you prefer face-to-face interaction, this is advantageous for you. During the in-person training, you can understand the course the trainer teaches. Also, you can ask questions right away when you don't comprehend something. Fixed schedule. Another advantage of live training is that the timetable is strictly followed. You start and complete the training on time, so you can still do other things after the training. You will also have the time to socialize with your groupmates and build a friendship with them. How do I start a microblading career? Is it easy to be a microblading artist? Honestly speaking, it's not very easy to be a microblading artist. It requires hard work, a lot of effort, great skill, and of course, commitment. A positive attitude towards this kind of career is the key to be a successful microblading artist. Before you become a microblading artist, you need to undergo training, whether live training or online microblading training, to know about microblading. It is imperative to attend the training because the trainer will teach you everything you need to know. What's next after the training? After the training, may it be face-to-face or online microblading training, you can apply to a salon and get the experience you need until you are an expert in microblading. Since you are still a newbie in the business, working in a studio with an excellent reputation would help you practice what you learned and get clients in the long run. When you can stand on your own feet and feel like you are ready financially and emotionally, you can put up your own business and make an enormous living. Now that you have an idea about live and online microblading training, you can now have an option which kind of lecture you can register and start a new leaf with this career. And if you are looking for the best studio, BrowBeat is an excellent choice for your new endeavor. We appreciate you reading this blog about choosing between live or online microblading training and wish that this article on online microblading training is beneficial to you.